What's up guys? It's opening day. About to go slam some stockies. A little cool morning, but water's murked up a little bit. It's good the water murked up just a tad so the fish aren't as spookish. They stocked this creek pretty recently, so they should be pulled up a little bit still. Got the fly rods here, might go check out some other spots later, but I think we should do well here. Go catch some studs. First fish of the day, caught on a salmon egg. Gonna let her go. Alright, I'm gonna go down and film Garrett for a bit. I caught that one. It's been really slow so far, so we're good. I'm gonna go down there and film him and see if he can get one. Alright, what's up guys? We switched spots. Garrett just caught one. Lost a breeder before I even got down here. Finally starting to get in our grooves. Put the fly rods away, starting to get back in the groove. It's been a rough opening day so far, but hopefully we can start slamming them. Get you guys a video. Fish. Oh. Nope. Fish on. It's a little guy.
You want to film it?
Yeah, from shore.
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're already getting this on video. Yeah. Good shit. That's
Stocky on today, so we're gonna get him back in the water. He's gone. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. No. Thought it was decent. It is not. It's not. Caught another stocky. Decent fish. I'm gonna go film Garrett. He's doubled up with me.
Yep. What's happened, bud? I put a hook in my mouth to go get the camera, and I hit a stick and almost fell. And
So,
the hook went in my lip.
Why did you think it was a good idea to put a hook in your mouth, bud?
Well, normally, all my life, I just do this. Oh, I tripped on that stick right there and almost fell. Oh no, I got it. But my lips never stretched that far.
How'd it feel, bud?
Oh, that's Zach. It looked like I felt pretty good. My lips sitting here going.
Oh my gosh. No, it's not. Great. We're doubled up right now, bud. Yeah. Caleb, you want to go grab the camera?
Caleb says I'm trying to trip one, man.
Yeah. Okay, we're doubled up, baby. Garrett, you want to come over here? Doubled up. Starting to get into some fish. Oh, coming in hot.
I told you the red works good.
Yeah, that UV red.
I told you.
I think we make a video on how to float fish. I think that'd do well. There's a fish.
That's a better fish. Hey, your favorite. I knew he was sitting there. He's been hitting it like every cast too. I don't know how old this line is, so like I'm letting him.
It's low key though, but he might get
It's not even
spooled.
that big. I don't know how old this line is. That's why I'm not testing it.
You just gotta trust it.
Here he comes.
Yep. Come right here, Zach. Oh, never mind.
See, man, I catch all the dinks so you don't have to.
Yeah, okay. Something like that.
That's my job here at Chas'n Freaks, bro. Got Caleb down here. It's hooked up too. What do you say, Caleb?
Well, you know, just slamming them like bass in the Bassmasters Classic. Gonna boat flip him here in about 3 seconds.
Gonna boat flip him?
Maybe ski him across the water. What do you think? Think I ski him across the water?
It's not a bad fish, dude.
Give him a second. There you go.
It's back to back.
Oh, I barely got him, dude.
That's just good fish.
No, I think they were just big stockies.
Caleb, another one?
Ooh.
What's up?
Alright, we finally found some fish. I think we're gonna call it a day. I got a nice one. Mr. Caleb caught a nice one.
I'm that guy.
So, I think we're gonna head out.
Hey.
Go, what do you gotta say?
Yeah, it took us all day to finally find fish. I think we're gonna hit it again tomorrow. Get you guys another video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We got some more videos coming your way. I'm going on vacation, so when trout season starts to hit its peak, I won't be here, but finally got into some fish and hope you guys enjoyed.